wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
We're back in the arts and crafts studio, and we're going to do something really, really special
Yeah.
for Valentine's Day!
Yay!
And hopefully we're going to give you some ideas of what you can do for Valentine's Day.
Yeah, for sure.
Right?
Yeah, I think so.
So,
Oh.
well, of course I have a heart here.
Yeah,
I'm going to do a heart.
yeah, I'm going to do a heart too.
Yeah?
Do you think the kids want to do a heart?
I think so.
Yeah? Should we show them how we made our heart boxes?
Yes, I think we should.
Okay, so do you want to hold up your heart box so they can see what it is?
So
Okay.
this, kids, is my heart box.
Yep. So it's a box and it has a lid.
Yep.
And we made it out of cardboard.
Yep,
But you can also make it out of construction paper.
exactly. And we're going to show that to you today.
Yeah.
Well,
We're going to show you how.
how?
Tell you how.
Yep.
So what we did is we cut out 2 hearts that are the same size. And the way you can do that is you can fold one piece of paper in half and then cut out the heart with your safety scissors so you know they're the exact same size.
Yep.
Yep. And then one is going to be the bottom and one is going to be the top of the lid.
Just like that.
Yep, great. And then cut out 2 pieces of paper like this, and one will be for the lid, the edges around the lid, and the other is for the edges around the bottom. So you can make one bigger and the other one smaller, or you can make them the same size.
Yep.
And then we fold it over the edge. See how it's folded right there?
Yeah.
And then we cut little tiny lines along the edge so that up to the fold. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our glue stick and glue that bottom to the heart around the edge. So like hold up your heart, Noah.
Here we go.
Yep. So that's the top, and then we glued the paper all around the edge.
Yeah.
And that's how you make your heart. And then you have to let the glue dry.
And basically the cutouts makes the paper, or allows you to paper to make it into a heart shape, right?
Yeah, because otherwise the paper would only want to be square or have angles.
Yeah.
But all the little tiny cuts make it so that it can be rounded on the edges.
Exactly.
Mhm. Great.
So you can make a red shaped box, but we did a brown one because we also want to paint them, right?
Yeah, we wanted to paint them different colors, and we hadn't decided yet. So you could do any color construction paper, or
Yep.
you can make it brown or whatever color, and then you can paint it.
Yep.
Yep.
And I'm gonna make a Valentine. There are a bunch that I need to make for a bunch of friends in school.
Yeah, me
and
too.
I'm gonna make one for Olivia too.
I'm not going to make one for Noah.
I heard that.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
And
of course
then
I'm making you one.
maybe I'll make one for Mom and Dad too.
Ooh, that'd be very, very nice.
Yep.
Yeah, I think
So
I'll do that too.
yeah, shall we get started?
Yeah, let's get started.
Okay.
So, I'm going to pull out my heart that we made. Oh,
There's my powder.
I'm going to move this construction paper. Oh, there, that's fine. Okay, and
I'm going to make my heart actually different colors.
I have a really interesting idea. I'm going to keep it a secret.
Oh, kids, why don't you get your items, make your hearts too, and by the time we're back, we'll be finished painting. So we'll be right back, okay?
Yeah. Okay, we'll be right back.
Bye.
Have fun.
And of course, I'm gonna make mine blue too.
You're funny.
Okay, I think I'm done. My top
I'm
just
done
has
too.
to dry, but
Ooh,
oh wow.
Noah, your hair looks so nice.
Why?
Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome. And your outfit, it looks so lovely.
Oh, thank you. But
And your box, so good. You painted it so well.
What? Why, thank you. I'm Olivia.
Yeah.
Why are you complimenting me this whole time? I mean, my hair and my outfit and you're never this nice to me.
What? I'm pretty nice.
But you never compliment me so much.
No, not so much. I'm complimenting you so much because I did complementary colors. Colors can complement each other too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait. Does that mean the blue says orange? You look really nice. And orange says to the blue, blue, you look really nice too.
Yeah. Colors talk to each other all the time.
What? I don't think so.
Yeah, no. But the orange and the blue complementary colors is like saying that it makes the other color stand out more. Oh, look, you can actually see it really good with your blue too. See? The orange against your blue, because your blue is a darker blue, so that would be an even better way to see it. So see how different they are?
Yes.
Yeah, if we had a color wheel, the complementary colors, so there's a color wheel in your mind.
Yeah.
And then on one side of the color wheel, you would have blue, and on the other side of the color wheel, you would have orange. So the opposite colors complement each other because they make each other stand out.
So what's the difference between complementary and contrasting? Or is that the same?
It's a little bit different because orange can contrast, like, look, see red and orange? Mm-hmm. They both stand out and look very different too, right?
Yep.
So they would contrast, but because they're not opposites,
okay,
they aren't complementary.
Wait.
Yeah.
Is black and white complementary?
Ooh, yeah. I don't think they really count those because they're not on the color wheel.
Oh,
but
okay.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they are.
So
yeah, black and white are actually, they're a really good example of contrast colors.
Oh, okay, so that's contrasting.
Yeah, because it's very high contrast. But
okay, so black and white is contrasting. Would yellow and purple be complementary?
Yes. Yellow and purple would be because they're opposite each other on the color wheel.
Oh. And red is complementary to
green.
Green,
yeah. Yeah, you've totally got it.
just like at Christmas.
Yeah.
Red and green.
Yeah. That's actually a good way to think of it too.
Yep.
So like if you see two colors and they look really, really good together, but they still stand out.
Yeah.
That's a good way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I know.
Yep.
Cool.
Great.
Well,
oh, we should show them our finished boxes.
Oh,
though.
of
I want to
course.
show the top of mine.
okay, I think my top is dried now.
Okay, I think mine is too. Oops.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
So
Got it.
this is my
Ooh.
heart. You
Aw.
think it looks blue, but ta-da! It's blue and red.
Ooh, yeah. And
So-
it's got some sparkles.
Yeah, I put some sparkles in there too because
nice.
this is going to be for somebody special.
Aw, very nice.
Not for you. I have a different one for you.
That's fine. Mine is orange and blue and
Oh,
yeah, I drove it half and half.
wow!
Yeah.
That's really, really cool.
Yeah, and sometimes people it looks like maybe a broken heart.
Yeah, that's what I
But
thought so.
No. I'm thinking of it. Have you ever seen those like best friend necklaces where you give
Yeah.
one half to one person and one half to another person?
Yep.
It's like that. It's a best friend heart.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Cool.
That are complimentary.
Oh yeah, best friends are complimentary too.
Yep.
Yeah, that's lovely.
That's really cool.
I like that.
Well, kids, are you gonna make a heart like this for Valentine's Day too?
Yeah. You can make any kind.
Yeah, you should. Because I'm pretty sure there are a lot of people who will be really, really excited
Yeah.
and happy if you give them a Valentine for Valentine's
you
Day.
can make them a Valentine's Day card.
Yep.
Or heart box like this.
Yep.
There's a lot of options.
There are a lot of options.
Great.
So I am going to start working on your Valentine.
Ooh, and I'm gonna go start working on yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, kids, we will see you next time.
Yeah. I had so much fun today, and I want to say Happy Valentine's Day, and I
Yeah.
hope you have a good day.
Yeah, definitely. Happy Valentine's Day. We hope to see you on our Valentine's Day special episode.
Oh
right?
yeah, definitely. That'll be really, really, really fun.
Yep.
If you think this was fun, that's gonna be so much fun.
Yeah, we're gonna show you a lot, and we're gonna reveal our Valentine's Day gift for each other.
Yay! Valentine's Day gift.
Woo! I'm
So
excited.
fun. Me too.
Okay, kids.
Okay.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was fun. Okay, I'm gonna work on mine because
Okay.
I'm not gonna show you. It's a secret.
Well, of course it's a secret. Mine's a secret too.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!